In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Shopify. This walkthrough will guide you through every action, explain what each field means, and offer helpful tips so your orders are accurate and easy to manage. Begin in your Shopify admin and open the Products area from the left-hand menu. From there, go to Purchase Orders and choose the option to create a new purchase order. This opens a blank order where you'll assemble everything the supplier needs to fulfill the shipment. Next, add your supplier and destination. In the supplier section, pick the appropriate supplier from the drop-down menu. If the supplier isn't in your list yet, use the Create option to add their details. In the destination section, specify where the products should be shipped. This ensures the fulfillment location on your account and the supplier's paperwork match your expectations. Now add the products you want to order. In the Add Products area, search for each product and select it. Enter the quantity for every item you include. You'll also see optional fields for the supplier's SKU, cost per unit, and tax percentage. Filling in the supplier SKU helps match items between your store and the vendor. Putting accurate cost per unit will keep your margins correct, and including any tax percentages ensures the financials reflect real-world charges. After the products are added, provide shipment and payment details. Enter the estimated arrival date, so inventory planning reflects when stock will be available. If you have it, add a tracking number and the shipping carrier to make status updates easier once the order ships. Optionally select payment terms and the currency for the purchase order. Clear payment terms reduce confusion with suppliers and help your accounts team process invoices faster. Before finalizing, you can save the purchase order as a draft. This is useful if you want to review quantities, costs, or shipping details with another team member before committing. When everything is correct and you're ready to move forward, mark the order as ordered. Doing so updates incoming inventory records and sends the purchase order to the supplier for their review and approval. A few simple tips. Double-check quantities and costs to avoid receiving unexpected items. Use clear supplier SKUs to simplify reconciliation. And keep the estimated arrival date conservative to allow for shipping delays. That's it. Creating a purchase order in Shopify is straightforward once you know where each piece of information belongs.